So, you're thinking about cranking out 100 push-ups every single day? That's dedication, man. It's a goal that requires not just physical strength, but also mental fortitude and a solid plan. It's not for the faint of heart, but the rewards can be awesome. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel, the boost in your confidence, and the noticeable changes in your physique. We're talking serious muscle gains, a stamina boost, and even some mental toughness to boot. Your body and mind will both be pushed to new limits and you'll come out stronger on the other side. Now let's be real, 100 reps straight out the gate is tough, especially if you're just starting out. It's important to recognize your current fitness level and not get discouraged. This isn't about being a hero, it's about making steady progress and avoiding injury. Pushing too hard too soon can lead to setbacks. You gotta listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your routine accordingly. Rest when you need to, and don't ignore signs of overtraining. Break it down into sets, maybe 10 sets of 10 or whatever works for you. This way, you can manage the workload and gradually build up your strength and endurance. The key is consistency, not going full beast mode on day one and burning out. Establish a routine that you can stick to day in and day out. Think of it like this: you're building a house, brick by brick. Each push-up is a small step towards your larger goal. Each push-up is a brick, and every day you lay down another 100. Over time, these small efforts will add up to significant progress. You wouldn't try to build the whole house in a day, right? It's a process that requires patience and persistence. This is about building a foundation, a solid routine. A strong base will support your future fitness goals and help you avoid burnout. And trust me, your body will thank you for it. You'll feel better, look better, and be proud of the hard work you've put in. Alright, let's talk about what everyone's here for, the gains. When you hit those push-ups consistently, your muscles are gonna respond. We're talking chest, shoulders, triceps, the whole 9 yards. You're using your own body weight for resistance, and that's a powerful thing. Think about it, every time you lower down and push back up, you're forcing those muscle fibers to work. They get broken down, and then they rebuild stronger. That's how you sculpt that superhero physique, one push-up at a time. Now, don't expect to transform into Arnold Schwarzenegger overnight. Building muscle takes time and dedication. But with 100 push-ups a day, you're definitely on the right track. You'll start to see definition, feel stronger, and notice those shirt sleeves getting a little tighter. And that, my friends, is a great feeling. Here's the thing about push-ups. They're not just about building muscle. They're a full-body workout that taxes your cardiovascular system too. Think about it. You're pumping blood, working your lungs, and building endurance. It's like running a marathon, but instead of pounding the pavement, you're pushing your own body weight. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime. No gym membership required. This increased stamina translates to other areas of your life too. You'll find yourself breezing through chores, tackling stairs with ease, and just generally feeling more energized. It's amazing what a little consistency can do. So not only will you look good, but you'll feel incredible too. That's a win-win in my book. Section 4, Mind over Muscle, Mental Benefits of the Grind. Let's get real for a second. 100 push-ups a day is no walk in the park. It's a commitment that demands both physical and mental fortitude. It's a challenge, mentally and physically. Each push-up tests your limits, pushing you to dig deeper within yourself, but that's where the real magic happens. It's in those moments of struggle that you find your true strength. See, when you push your body, you also push your mind. The grind forces you to confront your inner barriers and break through them. You build discipline, resilience, and that I can do anything attitude. These qualities don't just stay in the gym, they follow you into every aspect of your life. Every time you hit that 100th rep, you're proving to yourself that you're capable of more than you thought. It's a powerful affirmation of your abilities. You're building mental toughness that spills over into all areas of your life. This newfound strength helps you tackle challenges with a renewed sense of confidence. Work deadlines, relationships, you name it. The mental resilience you gain from physical exercise equips you to handle life's pressures more effectively. And then there's the stress relief. The act of exercising, especially something as straightforward as push-ups, can be a powerful way to clear your mind. Exercise, even something as simple as push-ups, releases endorphins. These natural chemicals in your body help elevate your mood and reduce stress. Those are your body's natural mood boosters. They help you feel happier and more relaxed, making it easier to face daily challenges. So, not only are you building a stronger body, but you're also cultivating a stronger mind. The benefits of the grind extend far beyond the physical, enriching your entire life. Section 5, Risks and Rewards. A balanced perspective. Now before you drop down and give me 20, let's talk about the potential downsides. Exercise is fantastic, but it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Like anything, too much of a good thing can backfire. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout and fatigue. Overdoing it can lead to injuries, especially if you're not using proper form. Common issues include joint pain, muscle strains, and even more serious injuries. Listen to your body, and don't be afraid to take rest days when you need them. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Also, remember that variety is the spice of life. Incorporating different types of exercises can keep your routine exciting and engaging. Don't limit yourself to just push-ups. Explore other exercises like lunges, pull-ups, and yoga to keep things interesting. Mix it up with other exercises to work different muscle groups and prevent plateaus. This will help you achieve a well-rounded fitness level. At the end of the day, it's all about finding what works for you. Whether it's jogging, hiking, or strength training, consistency is key. 100 push-ups a day can be a great way to build strength, stamina, and mental toughness. But it's not the only way. Just remember to be smart, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Fitness is a personal adventure, so make it enjoyable and sustainable.